I might should have recorded that episode of how it's made on hard drives.
Hey Jesse, do you have the parent pager ready yet? People are asking about it over there.
Not technically.
Not technically. Not even close.
Well, now, wait a minute.
You said you fixed computers before.
Yeah, that was kind of like a metaphor.
Wait, what?
It was a metaphor for wanting to be Iron Man.
No, I don't think you know what a metaphor means.
Simile?
Okay, I'll tell them you're still working on it.
No, thanks. Huh? Whoa. This does not look suspicious or seem out of the ordinary at all. Ooh, look! Instant shipping! Yes, please. That was quick.
Jesse?
Over here. Tell them I have made significant progress on the parent pager.
How?
I have scientifically altered my body in order to aid in the process of fixing said computer.
Are you actually fixing the computer?
Well, aside from actually, shrinking myself and making tiny me's, I'm no further than when I started. But hey, at least now I have a different perspective on things. Right?